Guys, I have a Twitter. So far, as you can see, I have no followers. So make sure you follow me on Twitter at SlimeOYT. I will be also accepting some fan arts if you guys want to, give me some. It's not like I have any real fans. So yeah, anyhow, I will be shouting you guys out for if you guys give me some fan arts. And if you comment your YouTube channel name on the fan arts or give me a link, I will be also shouting them out with the fan arts. So yeah, that's all this video is about really. Follow me on Twitter at SlimeYT.